the heart of the city. Ain't no love in the heart of town. Ain't no love, and it sure is a pity. Ain't no love since you ain't around. Oh, when you were mine, I was feeling so good, 'cause your love lit up this old neighborhood. But now that you're gone, you know the sun don't shine from the city hall to the county line. That's why I said, hello everybody, I'm Vasco, and today we're doing Ain't No Love in the Heart of the City. I'll be using a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's jump right into it. Okay, so let's start with the intro. In the intro, basically we have A minor 7 and B minor 7, but I'm grabbing it up here, A minor 7 as E minor with the G string open. So from the bottom to the top it's 7, 8, 9 open. All right? This is the first chord, and the second chord is like this. Okay, from the bottom to the top it's 9, 7, 9, 7. And the rhythmic part is interesting. So what I'm doing is down, up, down, one down on B minor 7, and then get back to. Okay, so if you count it, it's something like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 also on the second A minor we have this little riff, which is almost only open strings. So we start with open E string, then open G string, then open A string, and the only time we press is here on the 3rd fret of the A string, then releasing it with a pull down, and then G string again, and A string again, okay? But it's a little bit faster. So the whole intro together. Okay, so this little riff, after that we have it on a few different places as well. We'll repeat the same thing. Wherever you see riff, it means this little thing right here. All right, and the chorus starts with the same thing. Ain't no love in the heart of the city. And here very quickly I'm playing just all the strings open, and then I grab D minor 7. Okay, just barring on the 5th fret and getting back to A minor 7 up here. And here is the little riff. Okay, so ain't no love in the heart of the city. Ain't no love in the heart of town. Ain't no love, and it sure is a pity. And here, F major 7, on the 5th fret, the G and C string, and the rest of the strings open. Ain't no love to D minor 7, since you ain't around. Alright, so together the whole thing. Ain't no love in the heart of the city. Ain't no love in the heart of town. Ain't no love, and it sure is a pity. Ain't no love since you ain't around. And here we go to the verse, which starts with A minor. I'm grabbing it down here. When you were mine, to C. I was feeling so, to D minor 7, feeling so good. And here we have an interesting chord, G7 suspended 4. Cause you're lovely down this old neighborhood. And again, A minor. And the second time is a little bit different. But now that you're gone, you know the sun don't shine from the city hall. And here we have F to C. B minor 7 really quickly, getting back to. All right, but also let's talk about the strumming I'm doing here. I'm doing one down strum and then down up, but kind of muted. All right? I'm trying to mute the strings with the right hand here, but also sound them a little bit. And on D minor 7, I'm doing down, up, down. And then on G7 suspended again. But now that you're gone, you know the sun don't shine from the city hall to, and here, down, 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 down. So on F, 2 downs, then C, 1 down, and B minor 7, 1 down. When you were mine, I was feeling so good, cause you're lovely down this old neighborhood. Now that you're gone, you know the sun don't shine from the city hall to the county line. That's why I said ain't no love. Okay, and after we have a few choruses and verses, we have this little finger pick thing that I'm coming a little bit closer now to show you. All right, this little fingerstyle is basically over the chord progression of the verse. So first let me do it and then I'll explain what I'm doing. And you start singing. Now that you're gone, you know the sun don't shine from the city hall to the county line. That's why I said. Okay, so we start with the A minor 7, all the strings open, and I'm playing the A string, G string, and then A string, we're strumming the chord. This is the first time. So A and G string are before the first time. They are from the previous bar, 4 and 1. Okay? And after that, we play again open G, open A, and then playing the C chord. Wap-pow. And then going here on the 7th fret, grabbing the D minor 7, and then playing the G string, the E string, and again 7th fret of the A string, playing the whole chord, and then the G string. And here is maybe the trickiest part. We have to go to G7 suspended 4, but we play first open A string, then on the 3rd fret, and this is the stretch. And then sliding to 3rd, open, and then A, G, A, again 3rd fret, and then we go to A minor, but I'm playing just the E and C string, then the G string open, and then E string, G string, A string twice, and then G string, A string, and then A string 3rd fret, then A string open, and here we have 3, 5, 7. All right, so let's do the whole thing slowly. Now that you're gone, you know the sun don't shine from the city hall to the county line. That's why I said. And after the finger pick verse, we have these chorus that basically lead us to the outro. Then it starts with A minor, and it's after that just chucking muted strums. Ain't no love in the heart of the city. Ain't no love in the heart of town. And on the second time we start ain't no love, and it sure is a pity. But here, ain't no love. Here we have E minor 7, just once in the song, cause you ain't around. And D minor 7, but I'm grabbing it like this to be a little bit different sounding, a little bit different voicing, cause you ain't around. And from this point, after that, we're just repeating the chorus a few times and the song kind of fades out. And basically this sums up my tutorial for Ain't No Love in the Heart of the City. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope that this was helpful for you and you managed to learn this song with me. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and suggest songs in the comments below. You'll see me on the next one. Goodbye. Ain't no love since you